Sweet. So now the next step is we're going to be putting the new shingle into the new placement. We're going to do nail down the shingle. What we're looking for here is if there's any creasing, tearing, delamination, or any type of granule loss. Okay, so right now we already know that there's material transfer. We already know there was tearing on just removal of the nails. Now this time we're going to see if this shingle will actually allow us to do the actual replacement. Okay. They're already tearing. See right there? They're already trying to tear. So, got the shingle in place. So what I want to show you next is the proper way that manufacturer specs wants to make sure our nail strikes are, okay? To manufacturer specs, we have to have a flat strike. Our nail cannot be crooked or anything, has to be strictly straight, okay? And flat. And also, per shingle, manufacturer specs, I have to have at least 4 nails per shingle, okay? So got to make sure I have 4 nails per shingle, okay? So, what are we doing? So what that means is here's my nail. Oh. Okay, that means I have to make this right there. So the nail strike zone right there. Boom. This is how high I have to bend the shingle to be able to have a flat strike. If I hit it just right here, I'm going to damage the shingle. So what I have to do is I have to bend it back a little bit more. As you can tell, that is about 90 degrees. Almost maybe slightly less to be able to do the proper nail strike, okay? So I just wanted to show that in the video so you're aware. So let me start. There's one, sure. Yep, here too. Just by me putting 2 nails, you can already start seeing the creasing that's happening. Just by that, okay?